All right, welcome back to Trading Levels with Alighten. We're moving our way through March. We're on March 9th, 9 o'clock. I generally start at the beginning of the hour because we tend to get a trade within the first 15 minutes of the hour. Um, I'll be trading for those of you who are new to this channel, I'm trading the Alighten mirror indicator. There's a link in the description to the GitHub repository. Everything is free and open source, but I'd appreciate your feedback. And yeah, if you guys like this content, hit the like button. It lets me know I'm on the right track. And if you'd like to see something different, some other topics covered, then go ahead and leave those comments as well. Or you can hit me up on Discord. My handle is Alighten, and I'm happy to answer any questions. So, all right, let's jump into the beginning of the day on March 9th. There's our POC. That's what we're looking for. I like to see that. I like to see a signal with it. We did have this 30-minute, this actually looked like it might have been a decent signal, but the entry bar was too long. Okay, so now we've got a signal. Get the finger on the trigger. Don't like the signal bar to be that long. So we'll wait for this to pull back. We're absolutely not going to take a signal bar that's that long. So what I like to do is wait for price to then, if I get one of those, I like to wait for price to pull back to the kind of the start of the trade, which is that, yeah, I'm not taking that with the, could have got a little bit, just down to this 4 hour. This is a 4 hour signal up, which is a little tricky. So probably like 20 ticks or something. But I'm hoping for a little more than that. I'm trying to get my reward to risk greater than 1, preferably greater than 2. Oh yeah, maybe a little bit more. I just don't like this wick here. And these, when they're like this, they tend to pull back. So we'll give it some time. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, whoa. Okay. Cool. So now we've got a really good signal, which is a lower time frame 5-minute signal hopefully passing through a 10-minute time frame signal. Also good. We'd also wicked this 1 hour. So lots of stacked signals. I like to see that. I'd like to see a little bit, well, it has to close below this guy. And when I get a stack like this, I'll put my stop up here. Usually, occasionally it'll come back this low. Usually it comes back to the kind of the base signal, which is this guy right here. But let's see what happens here. Maybe it's just going to continue on up to value area high. Okay, let's get our finger on the trigger here. It's a pretty long one, but I think I'd take it. Okay, now it's getting ridiculous. Oh, it's doing that thing again. And we don't have to always be in a trade, so I could just wait for these wicks to die down. I'd rather see something that looks a little more like this than 100 tick wicks. See if we get something here. Oh, come on. At least it doesn't want to cross below that. It's a good sign. Uh-oh. If it closes above this level, then this is essentially over. And it's definitely over if it closes above that 1 hour. Let's see if we get something. Come on. This happens occasionally where after the 5-minute signal finishes, we still get a pullback and then it goes in the correct direction because this is a pattern B. There's some backstory there, but this is okay. Oh, it didn't close below the 10-minute level though. It's gonna. Come on, buddy. I should really, I should not do that. I should wait for it to close below the level. "28 seconds. Yikes. This could backfire. I'll leave this right here. I also don't like the fact that it's right into this 4-hour. I'm gonna sell there. Oh, shoot. Pull back. Pull back. Keep pulling back. That's okay. I like that it pulled back to that level. I need to go to break even. Maybe as soon as it gets down, if it gets down. I'll split this. Move this to here. Oh, as soon as it gets down to that 4-hour, I'll just go to break even. This might be a nothing trade. Yeah, it really does not want to cross that 4-hour. I should have put a target there. That was silly. Interesting, came right back up to this value area low. We'll move this down. Is that it? It's not going to go down for me? Close. Okay. So I made a little bit of money. That was a little tricky with, I actually, when this wicked that level and pulled back, I entered. Oh, I like these. Put this back there. I like these where we get this quick wick right on the side. Let's see what happens here. I don't like it with this huge wick here. Uh-oh. Okay, don't like it that much. Let's get out of that trade. I should have, again, I keep not waiting for the bar to close. If this was a red bar, would have liked to see that. That's all right. There'll be more trades. What I like to see is a red bar, then a smaller, not such a huge wick. That was first indication that was a bad idea, was this gigantic wick here. But then anyway, so assume there was no long wick there, a red bar, then a little bit of a pullback, then a signal short, and then a red bar continuing down. I do like to see that. Ooh, let's see what this bar closes at. Uh, I kind of like that. If it'll close below the 10-minute, maybe. I don't know. See, it really likes this. Oh, it really likes this 4-hour level. It's really respecting it. We do have a 5-minute, which I like. I think I would need to see this close below there. I mean, this wick is pointing up. These are tricky ones on March 9th. This was definitely the best trade. I probably should have just held this and put my stop back there instead of re-entering. Oh, it did close below it. Oh man. See it pull back a little. Pull back to the level. Oh, new level. This is a bad idea. Oh, I'm gonna get out of it. This should have been a red bar. This was the bar to enter on. Yeah, this is weird. I'm just gonna wait. You know, if it when in doubt, just wait. I got another signal with a green bar. Jeez. It just has, it did close below that 4 hour here, but right before that we had this really long wick. I don't know. I'm gonna wait for the next signal. I think this was a valid trade right here. I think it would have been a loser. It should have been a loser. Oh, there's a winner. This wick is pretty long, so this makes essentially a really long entry bar. Our bias is still down. Hmm. Okay. This is getting spicy. Got another 10 minute. That's good. I think I've mentioned this before, but these 4 hour levels tend to act like zones, not precise levels. And you can see that in action here. It's kind of this whole zone rejecting, prices rejecting off of it. We've got this 1 hour up here. We may get another, it's already been tested, so that's one thing, which means we need other signals. Obviously, I never take a 1 hour by itself. Let's see what happens here. Cross a 10-minute crossing that's a really long entry bar. What? I think I need that to pull back. That's just too much. Just pass through. Pulls back to the 10-minute. Maybe if it comes up here and touches the value area low and then rejects off of that. Again, this is probably, I think I'm rushing it. It's still rejected. It's still in this zone. Yeah, that was a mistake. Let me take half off. Oh, there's a 10-minute. How about this? I think I'm just going to move my stop right there. Let's move to break even. I think we got really lucky. See if it gets down to our trend. This is a trend start up. Probably just get a break even on this one, but that's a win in this weird. It's doing something. Should we kill it? See if it gets to 50. Maybe we'll get to 50. Nice. Yeah, that's a perfect spot for a target. That trend start up. Those are really important levels. Huh. Okay. So this came back up and wicked here. We still had the signal short with the POC. This was the right place to enter here at the pullback. No, it's still going. Let's see if we get another trade out of this. See if it goes further. Down to here. This previous POC hasn't been touched. Pretty much. Wicked that. So first it wicked the trend start. Oh, it's still going. There it goes. Oh, we have a cluster, but it's all 5 minutes. If this drops through all three of those, I might consider taking that. With this 10-minute. This 10-minute has already been tested right here, so I think with this bar coming off this trend start up, these are usually, oh, we might get something here. These are usually fairly strong. But if it does push back down for a second try at this 10-minute, if it pushes all the way through, I would take that. I'd just be ready to break even after the, when it gets back down to the trend start. Oh, getting tired of hearing my own voice. Hmm. Ready? We might not get another trade till the next hour, which is right over here. To speed things along. Got a wick of the POC. This hour has been fully tested multiple times. Oh, slow down. 15-minute going through that 60-minute, 5-minute. Okay, now we're looking at, this looks promising. That's a really long entry bar. Oh my God. All right, we need to wait for it to pull back. Assuming it closes there. Okay. 5, 4. Expect for it to pull back at least all the way to here. Okay. Pull back through there. And it's not coming back down, but let's see if it does. Just needs to come back down there. I need that bar to close below that 15. 30 seconds. 24 seconds. Wrong way. Come back down. That's not the end of the world if it wicks there. It just means I have to move my stop up there. So if we would have taken this one, we would have had to move our stop way up here. Oh, oh, there's a trend start down 1 up here. There's also the value area high. Let's see, maybe we've got other plans. 30-minute, trend start down. See where this thing closes. Just wicking that value area high with the signal and the trend start, I would take that with that 30-minute signal. If it closed below it. Oh, now we got a 10-minute and a 5-minute. That's looking good. See where this closes. Really don't want a huge signal bar. Oh, maybe not. Still got more to go up. Oof. Look at that. I have to put my stop back here. Actually, I probably could have, well, it did wick there. I'll leave that where it is. I'll split this. Come on, baby. It's below the value area. That's good. It's below the trend start. Well, it hasn't. Actually, it's not below the trend. Now it's below the trend start. Get ready to break even. Could come back up to that value area. If it does, we'll just re-enter. I like this trend start. I really like 30-minute signals, especially having it gone all the way through a 5, a 10, a 30, and a trend start down. That's pretty money. I'm hoping this gets all the way to the POC here. I can move my bar down. Uh-oh. 40, 50. Can it get there? Oh, we hit this trend start down. Uh-oh. Move this up to the trend start up too. Dun, 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 dun. I should have taken that trend start 2. 85. I was kind of hoping it would hit the trend start up. It still might. Get it. Get it. Get it, buddy. 96, 97 ticks, 100. 4, 3, 2. 97. There. Just one. I'm moving this thing down. 112. Oh, 120. Oh, I should have put the here. Hit it. Oh my, come on. There we go. Nice. Okay. That was the one we were looking for. That's a great trade. All right. That's a good place to leave it. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will catch you in the next one.